Hello, today let's make a paper bracelet and a paper ring. First of all, let's take a paper. You can choose any color paper. Here, I'm just drawing some hearts so that I will get some patterned paper. I have taken red color here, but you can choose your own color and create your own designs and patterns. Make sure that when you have finished, you have a rectangle piece of paper ready. Now you need to fold it into half and we are going to draw a design on it. So here I'm just drawing this design. You can draw it and then we need to cut it out. I'm also cutting straight strips from this for the bracelet part. Now I'm using glue to make this into a bow. I'm putting glue in the center and the both edges and folding it towards the center. Now my bow is ready. Now I'll use the strip and attach the bow to it to make it a bracelet. You can stick beads or flowers to make it more beautiful. Here I have added a paper rose. My students prepared their own bracelets. Bracelets.